This isn't a leaf, and it's not a branch either. It's a snake. Meet the malagasy leaf-nosed snake. That strange nose? It's shaped like a leaf, helping the snake vanish among the branches. When it stays still, predators look right through it. Even its colors match dead leaves and bark, making it almost invisible in Madagascar's forests. This snake isn't aggressive. It hunts quietly, striking only when prey comes close. No speed, no venom show, just perfect camouflage. In nature, the deadliest weapon is being unseen.